Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to block or report a message request on X, so you can stay in control of your inbox and keep your experience safe and comfortable. If you've ever received a message from someone you don't know, or from someone you'd rather not hear from, message requests are where those conversations usually appear. Luckily, X gives you an easy way to manage them, and I'll take you through the process step by step. First, open the X app on your device and log in if you aren't already signed in. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom menu bar and tap on the message icon. This will take you directly into your inbox. Next, you'll see a section labeled Message Requests. Go ahead and tap on that option. This is the place where messages from people who don't follow you or those you don't follow back will show up. Now, scroll through your message requests and select the message you want to act on. Once you've opened it, you'll notice options that allow you to either block or report that account. If you choose to block, that person won't be able to contact you in the future, and they won't see your profile updates. Blocking creates a clear boundary and keeps your experience stress-free. On the other hand, if the message was offensive, spammy, or harmful in any way, you can tap Report. Reporting sends the message to the X team for review, helping keep the platform safe not only for you but for the wider community as well. Remember, taking control of your message requests is about creating a positive environment for yourself. Blocking protects your personal space, while reporting alerts X to behavior that breaks the rules. Either option ensures that you don't have to engage with unwanted or harmful messages. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can block or report a message request on X quickly and easily.